back to the channel today. Yes, we are here for another quick wig slay. Okay, if you are new and you just hop right into this video, my name is Sweetie. Hello, how are you? Thank you for stopping by. I do a ton of wig slay videos. I also do videos on reviews of stuff that if you want to maybe spend your coin or not. We will also be talking about that digital coin. So if you're here for something new, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. And for my sweets that's been rocking with me, I love and appreciate you guys so much, and we gonna hop right into this video. What up, sweets? Hopping right into the video. This video is sponsored by Sangtokhair. They sent me this 26-inch Faux Locs braided unit. You get a wig brush, a wig cap, some jewels for your hair. You also get a bunch of lashes, and you also get something to hold them edges down, and a care card to tell you how to take care of your unit. Here is our beautiful unit. She is very beautiful. Here she is straight up out of the pack. Like I said, 26 inches. You got a lot to play with there. So here's the top of our unit. That lace is looking really good. The parting space on here is awesome. Inside of the cap, we got 2 combs off to the side, 1 in the back. It also comes with the adjustable strap. You also get some lace in the back, and then you also get the band. And the band has a little gripping on it to keep it on your head, and it's also adjustable if you want to take it off. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm excited about this unit. So we're going to hop right into it, and I'm going to put her on my head and see what she's looking like. Right off the back, she's very beautiful. Can you notice the parting, okay? The lace on here is beautiful. You can pretty much wear her however you want. She is very versatile. Left side, right side, upside part. Here is the back. The density on here, it doesn't tell you the density on here in the description, but I would say the density on here is very full. As you can see, it is given nice and scalp. You know, it's not looking like it is a little flimsy. I'm going to go ahead and use some of my tint spray. I'm going to go ahead and tint her, and then we are going to cut this lace off, and then we are going to pop her on my head, okay? So I've went ahead and cut that lace off, and now we are going to pop her on. Yes. And if you're wondering about my beautiful bonnet, that was from my Temu haul. I will link that in the description box if you want to go check that out. I love them bonnets. So right now you'll see me messing with the combs in there. I was trying to wear her glueless, but the edges was lifting up just a little bit. So you'll see further along the video that I went ahead and used my Got To Be spray, and I did spray her down. But I think if you adjust everything correctly, that you would be able to wear this unit glueless, and I happen to be dealing with all of that spray. See, that's what I'm talking about. It was looking just a little bit to where I was like, I might want to just go ahead and just spray this down. So I'm not going to use a lot of this. I'm just putting it directly on the edges, and I'm pulling that hair just so I can have it melt into my skin really, really good, and using my blow dryer and blow drying it down. Now I'm using some of my Got To Be gel, and I'm just going to lay these edges down really quick just to see what we are working with. This is a easy kind of get up and go type wig. Not a lot that you have to do with this. This is perfect for work or also going out on a night on the town. Yes. So now we're going to take this band off. We done melted our edges, honey. She is flawless, period. Yes. Loving everything about this wig so far. She is very, very pretty. Again, as I was saying, the parting area on this wig is like fire, okay? Because you don't have to do much. You don't have to try to pick you apart or find a part. The parts are already there for you. All you got to do is figure out what type of style you want to do with your hair. For this first look, I was just like, pulling that back in the back. And instead of putting a big old clip, if I was getting ready to go out, I would actually put a nice little bobby pin back there so you couldn't see the clip. And then just kind of have that little part hanging off to the side. And then have my little swoop-de-doop right here in the front, as you'll see me just kind of twirling it around. I think that's a really, really pretty look. Just something kind of soft and sweet, kind of be nice for work, or even, like I said, a night out on the town. Very cute. So as you can see, this is my final look. I have changed my clothes and put my glasses on. Like I say, you could dress this up or dress this down. If I was going to work, this is something how I would kind of wear it to work. Okay, slaying every day, all day, period. Yes. Like I said, she is cute. It is very well constructed. The locks on here are not heavy. They're not crusty. Yes, this is really, really pretty. And this is if we were doing a comb over, honey. Yes, comb over is a plus. And like I said, left side, right side part, middle side part. You can do whatever you want with this unit. She is a slay all day, every day. Okay, period. Look at the parting. Look at that. Okay, wig wear, honey. Period. And then this is my last look, you guys. This is a cute little updo. Like I said, everything could be in the description box. This wig is fire. You need to go cop her. Okay, she is on sale. If you want to get a prime deal, right now she's $78. Check the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video, period. Follow me over on TikTok for more. Bye.